Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Canaries in red alert for hurricane force, storm Nuria bringing maximum danger, as tourists warned and schools close. A state of maximum red alert for wind has been declared by the Canary Islands government on the islands of Tenerife and La Palma. Tourists have been told to avoid the area between midnight to night up until Thursday, April 3rd. More to follow. For the latest news on this story, keep checking back at The Sun online. The Sun, Co. UK is your go-to destination for the best celebrity news, real-life stories, jaw-dropping pictures, and must-see video. Like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/thesun and follow us from our main Twitter account @TheSun.